Hi everyone, it's Roman from Acceleration. Today we are going to create and to have an automation which automatically extracts information from business card and integrate it directly in your CRM. Actually, this automation will integrate it on a Google Sheet, but if you have any CRM, it will work perfectly also. You just have to replace the Google Sheet node with your CRM node. This automation is totally free on our website, acceleration.com. If you have any question, you can send us a message in the comments of this video. Also, you can like and subscribe this video if you like this type of content. It helps us a lot. And if you want to improve yourself on n8n, we also organize some bootcamp on n8n all the months. And you can, like, after this bootcamp, you can create this type of automation. So, how does this automation work? So here you can see our n8n automation. So if I launch it, you can see that I have a folder when I have two business cards. So in the folder, the name is to do, and I have a Google Sheet empty for the moment. And this automation is starting to work because you can see that I have the first row just created with information from the business card. And normally we will have the second, and here you can see that we have the second business card just add here. If I check my to-do folder, it's empty. And if I check my done folder, we have the two business cards. So how does this automation work? So actually I use daily trigger to launch this workflow like all the days at midnight. And after that, we are just checking if we have some file in this folder. So here it's like my ID from my to-do folder on my Google Drive. I loop each item. After that, I just have to download the binary file. So here you can see that I have my business card. After, we send it directly to Gemini, and we ask to Gemini like just to extract information, and we send how we want the output format. We just have after a small code which automatically will parse and format the data for our Google Sheet. We send this information to our Google Sheet, and we just have to move the file from our Google Drive folder to done, and like it's done. So it's pretty easy automation. This automation is totally free on our website. You can find the link in the description of this video. You just have to leave your email, and we send to you directly this automation. If you have any question, feel free to contact us also. And yeah, have a good day.